Grow a beautiful rose garden with Yates' complete range of rose care products. Plant, spray, feed and control. Step 1. Plant. Begin your rose journey by planting with Yates Dynamic Lifter Soil Improver and Plant Fertiliser. Sprinkle some Yates Dynamic Lifter into the planting hole. Yates Dynamic Lifter helps transform ordinary dirt into nutrient-rich soil that your roses will love. Step 2. Spray. When roses are dormant in winter, it's the perfect time to spray them with Yates Lime Sulphur. It helps break the pest and disease cycle before the new spring growth flush. Step 3. Feed. Feed your new roses with specially formulated Yates Thrive Roses and Flowers liquid plant food. Simply dilute the recommended amount with water and apply over your rose every 1 to 2 weeks. It contains fast-acting nutrients, including nitrogen for healthy leaves, phosphorus for stronger roots, and extra potassium for vibrant and prolific flowers. Reapply Yates Dynamic Lifter every 6 to 8 weeks from spring to autumn. Its unique blend of organic ingredients assists drainage, aeration and root growth and helps build a healthier soil. It will also give your roses a gentle feed with organic nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Step 4. Control. Spring brings a new flush of growth, and this is when pests and diseases can quickly take hold, ruining flowers and affecting the health of your plant. Dilute Yates Rose Shield as per the directions and spray onto your infected rose plant. Yates Rose Shield is a 3-in-1 insecticide, fungicide and miticide that will help control pests and diseases on your rose. So let Yates help you create a healthy, beautiful and blooming rose garden.